You found it, that video, how to make brown sugar. Let me guess, you ran out or what you had in the cupboard was hard as a rock. Look no further, I've got it for you. Stay tuned. Have you ever been in that situation where you went to go grab some brown sugar and either didn't have any or you did have some and it was solid as a rock? Have no fear, Mike the Stew Burner is here, and I'm going to show you there's no need to freak out because brown sugar, you can make it home. All you need is a cup of white granulated sugar and some molasses. That's it. 1 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of molasses, and you've got brown sugar. So let me show you just how easy this is. All right, 1 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of molasses. 1, 2. The cool thing is, you want to make this darker, more molasses. You want to make it lighter, less molasses. Just take a fork, mix it all up, and in a few moments, you have your own brown sugar. Now, I got it started here. All I'm going to do now is go in with my hands and just kind of mix this up. That's all I'm going to do. So the reason why you want to use your hands is because you'll have little lumps of molasses in there that you'll need to break up. And once it's all nice and smooth, you're done. So there you have it. In just a few moments, you can have your own brown sugar. And guess what? If you always have molasses and you always have white sugar on hand, why buy brown sugar at all when you can make your own? Make as little as you need, keep it fresh, you never have to worry. So there you have it. Brown sugar, handmade, no more stressing, no more running to the store at the last second. Make it yourself. So hey, enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, most importantly share. But make sure you hit that like button. I need a lot of those. YouTube likes it. All right, till next time, we'll see you. Thanks. Hey, so to store your brown sugar, airtight container, put a piece of white bread in there, close it up nice and tight, get the air out. That bread will prevent the brown sugar from getting all hard like a rock. There you go, brown sugar.